Hi, kindergartners. Happy Friday. Hope you're having a great day. Today we are going to do a math lesson 10.2, and we are going to learn all about spheres. Can you say sphere? Everyone say it. Sphere. This is a sphere. It almost looks like an orange. Yum. But it's not an orange. But I want you to know something. An orange is the shape of a sphere. It's like a ball. So this is called a sphere, and it is round, and it's curved, and it can roll. I'm going to show you how it can roll. Ready? Did you see it? I'm going to roll it to you. So a sphere is like the shape of a ball, and it can roll. So on your lesson for today, lesson 10.2, it says, I can identify, name, and describe spheres. On the first page here, they want you to use shapes and sort them. Now, this is what you would do if you were in the classroom and we had real 3D shapes to do that. But we're not there, so that's okay. What we can do instead is you can look around your house and do a house hunt. And you can write down items that you find that are in the shape of a sphere. And then you can find other items that are not the shape of a sphere, and you can write them down. So for example, in my fruit basket in my kitchen, I know I have an orange. So I could write orange. And then I could draw a circle of it. A picture of it. Okay. And there's my orange. I know that's the shape of a sphere. Something that's not a sphere would be like a banana. I know that there's a banana in my fruit basket, but a banana is not the shape of a sphere. So you are going to do a house hunt. Look all around your house. Find all the items that you can that are shaped like a sphere. Now remember, a sphere is kind of like a ball. So that's how you can remember a sphere. And you can hunt all around and you can write down any items that you see that are not a sphere, okay? And I want you to remember, a sphere is not a circle, boys and girls, okay? A sphere is not a circle. A sphere is 3D, three-dimensional. I can hold it in my hands. I can see all the way around it. So it's very different from a circle, okay? A circle is flat. So here's the sphere. All right, let's move on. On our next page, on the back, they want us to practice describing a sphere. So if you look here at the red sphere, now they tried to draw it and you see the little shadow here. So that kind of shows that it's 3D, right? And so a sphere, does a sphere have a flat surface? No, a flat surface you could stack things on. Can we stack things on top of a sphere? Well, let's try it, boys and girls. Ready? I have a sphere, and I'm going to try to stack my sticky notes on top of it. Okay, ready? It fell over because a sphere does not have a flat surface. So when you try to balance things on top of it, it does not balance. See? It won't stay on there because a sphere has a curved surface, and you cannot stack things on spheres. They will roll off. So a sphere has a curved surface. And then for number 2, they want us to look at the sphere and circle the words that describe a sphere. So we just did that for number 1. And number 2 says to color the spheres. So you're going to take a look at all of these 3D shapes down here, and you're going to color in the spheres. Remember, the spheres are shaped like a ball. Okay, I'll give you an example. Here is one sphere. Now be careful because one of them looks a little confusing. This looks like it could be because it's got a round circle at the top But that is not a sphere, boys and girls. We'll talk about that shape another time. That's called a cylinder. But this is not a sphere. Remember, the sphere has to be shaped like a ball. All right, so you guys are going to show me that you can identify objects that are shaped like a sphere. You're going to put an X over all of the objects in each row that are shaped like a sphere, like a ball. Okay? And then on the back, number 4, it says, I have a curved surface. Which shape am I? Mark an X on that shape. So for number 4, you're going to mark an X on the shape that has a curved surface. And then for number 5, they want you to draw to show what you know about a real object that is shaped like a sphere. Okay, so out of your house hunt that you do around your house, out of all of the objects that you write down, you can pick one of them to draw here, and you can write about that object to describe it. So if I was going to write about my orange, I would say round, curved surface, shaped like a ball. Those would all be ways to describe spheres. And that would be a way to describe my orange. Okay? All right, boys and girls, I hope you have a great weekend. Have a happy Easter. Have a great spring break. I will see you guys live on Monday morning, April 5th. I can't wait to see you then. Bye.